Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com and another pizza build. So if you're not familiar with these shows, what we're doing with these is we're not actually making the dough pizza in this or the sauce. There'll be a link below for both of them, and both of the recipes will pop up at the end of the video. What we're going to do today is build this beautiful garlic chicken pizza. Okay, let's get this chicken ready for this pizza. So I've got a bit of olive oil in there, and I'm using chicken breast, and I've got one chicken breast and I've cut it down the middle so it's really nice and thin. What I'm going to do is get some salt and some black pepper. And on a medium heat, we're going to throw this around in the pan for about 4 or 5 minutes. It's really thin, so it's going to cook really quickly. Just adding some more seasoning on the other side. Yeah, we're going to flip that a few times, get a little bit of colour on it, but like I say, nice and thin. It's not going to take that long at all. And then once it's kind of done, we're going to throw some garlic in there, mix it around, give it some extra flavour. Okay, that's looking beautiful. I'm going to put in like a tablespoon of chopped garlic now. And just throw this around for about 2 to 3 more minutes and we're done. What we can do then is slice that up, including bits of garlic, and get it onto our pizza. Really easy. Okay, so there's our dough. You saw me get that together, and of course you saw me just cook the chicken there. Let's get some tomato sauce on there. And by the way, if you use the recipe that I use for this, you're going to get 2 of these, 2 12 inches. Let's get some sauce. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. And again, this is a really easy no-cook pizza sauce, which will appear at the end along with the dough video. So yeah, I don't like to put too much sauce on. That's perfect. Going to get some cheese on that now. Now I'm using this block type mozzarella. You could be using a grated type if you want. Sometimes I use that. You've seen if you've watched any of the other videos. Really simple, this one, but really tasty. That looks good. And then the chicken, which I've now just sliced that up. So we've got some lovely cooked chicken, as you saw earlier. We put that garlic on it as well. This is fantastic, fantastic. And then simply all we're going to do next is we're going to get the garlic on there that we fried in there, and any little bit of oil that works on this. So we've got that fried garlic, a beautiful chicken, and all I'm going to do now is a little bit of dried oregano, and this is going to go into my oven. So get your oven on full blast. It's going to go in for about 6 minutes. It's going to be delicious. Okay, and there you go. That was 6 minutes in my oven on full blast, maximum heat. Looks bloody delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.